Alright, this is Flex, or Flex in. Gonna do a difficulty 8 declone attempt. Let's go. Fucking did it. Let's go. Let's go. Fucking did it. All right. Woo. Fuck. Holy shit. All right, I got it. Not the fastest Sorc to do it by any means, but feels pretty fucking good to be able to do it. All right. Gear-wise, I'll go over gear quick. Whew, just give me a sec here. All right, gear. Cold skillers, obviously 35 to 40. Torches and anything fantastic, just high vit. because wasn't really an issue. A damage life here, a really GG Annie. I got really lucky. I had this like day 4, just stupid lucky. ID'd like a 5320 and slammed it right away and got +2 all skills, so that was pretty lucky. The rest of these are just kind of 20 lifers with a little bit of mana, because Blizz is a little mana heavy. So if you need 20 life and then anything else, you can add on top of that FHR or whatever else, and then one little. I needed a little bit of more lightning res, so did that. Waterwalks was 7, so there's a lot of ways you can get 15% maximum fire res. I did Waterwalk, a 3% HSP, slam to 40 life, and then I got maybe an unconventional way to get it. I found Akira's with perfect cold res slam, or cold res, negative 15% cold res, slam to 5% max fire res, and then P-boxed it and put 2 cold sockets in it. So that's how I got to the 15 between this Nature's Peace and the Water Walk. And then obviously Kira's, lots of res, lots of pen, very, very good. The cannot be frozen is critical for this fight, obviously. Amulet, just I kept buying 3 skill, high life, and then tried to slam something good. The 10% is actually perfect because it gets me to the 86 breakpoint after you get a ton from Obsession and whatever else I have. It got me to 90, which I think makes a huge difference, especially in Phase 3 when there's so many ads. Armor, perfect PDR, shaft stop with 2 jaws, nothing crazy. You can definitely get better on this. You can get if I had like a 27 or 28 PDR with slammed with +1 skill, I would rather use that. Snow Clash, 2 all skills, faster run walk, Dwarf Star, slam to faster run walk. I really think this is underrated in the higher level difficulty declones, like being able to walk. When you teleport, you get negative damage reduction on your spells. You don't want to have to teleport very often for like 1 second. Plus, just avoiding stuff. I mean, you guys probably know this if you do higher level declones, but just being able to avoid stuff quicker. I'd like to see run walk slams as opposed to like life slams, because after 3k health, I think it's just about maxing other things. Frostburn's -10, cold necessary, and then anything useful. Life would be better. Um, Quick note for anybody that's trying to stack life: you do not want plus vitality on gear. You want plus life, or you want plus strength, because the hard points in vitality scale up with like your maximum life things. So in order of importance, you want life, and then you probably want like strength, and then you want, maybe plus vitality. Um, Obsession, I put 10 HRs into this. I had to re-roll it many times. I think this is my 3rd re-roll on it, and I finally got 22% life. I didn't care about the res. It's just about getting a really high life. I got 22 and I stopped. Perfect CTA. Put 2 fire jewels in here to make sure that you're capped to 90 when you're buffing. And otherwise, yeah. Cool. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.